Angelina Jolie opens her home to support those displaced by Los Angeles wildfires. Angelina Jolie is once again demonstrating her compassionate spirit as Los Angeles wildfires continue to devastate communities. The acclaimed actress, 49, has reportedly opened her Los Feliz home to provide refuge for friends and loved ones forced to evacuate due to the destruction. A source shared with People magazine that Jolie is deeply moved by the crisis, stating, "She's heartbroken for those who have lost their homes or are affected by the fires. She's doing everything she can to help, even offering her home as a safe haven for friends who had to leave theirs behind." One of LA's most destructive wildfires. The wildfires have ravaged the Pacific Palisades and surrounding areas, home to numerous Hollywood celebrities. Officials have described this event as one of the most destructive wildfires in Los Angeles history, with over 10,000 structures, including houses, schools, and offices, completely destroyed. The tragic disaster has claimed at least 11 lives and displaced thousands of residents. Some Hollywood stars, including Leighton Meester, Adam Brody, Anna Faris, and Ricky Lake, have reportedly lost their homes, while others remain on high alert, ready to evacuate at a moment's notice. A beacon of support in trying times. Angelina Jolie's generosity serves as a beacon of hope amid the chaos. Her home has become a sanctuary for those grappling with the devastating loss of their property, offering them comfort and stability in a time of need. This isn't Jolie's first instance of stepping up to help others. Known for her humanitarian efforts worldwide, the actress continues to embody the values of empathy and resilience, providing an inspiring example of how individuals can make a difference during times of crisis. As Los Angeles begins the arduous journey of rebuilding, stories like Jolie's offer a reminder of the importance of community, kindness, and collective strength.